A very somber scene out here this noon. Let's show you that apartment building that we're talking about, where those four victims lived until last night, when this area, from what we understand, was inundated with between 8 to 10 feet of water, from what officials are telling us out here. Now, they said that this area kind of was caught by surprise, if you will. Everyone was kind of bracing for the storm, from what the mayor was telling us earlier, but nonetheless, no one expected it to be to the degree to which it was. Now, here's what makes this even more tragic. Right across the street from this apartment complex is a fire station, literally across the street, but because of the storm and the flood water, their efforts at search and rescue were also impacted, also hampered, when trying to literally get across the street to begin the process of removing the victims who were inside here. We spoke to the mayor a little bit just a little while ago, and the severity of the situation, he kind of put it into perspective. Please take a listen to what he had to say just now.
We have a list of all of the tenants of the complex. Currently, phone calls are being made to check, making sure that people are accounted for. We have drones in the air running along the river, checking the river banks for any victims that may have gotten washed away by the river last night.
As you come back to us live, those drones are flying over the Elizabeth River. That's the body of water that was next to this apartment building. We can tell you what we know so far from officials about the victims. Again, 4 victims. They were all, from our understanding, in garden level units, so literally right off of the banks of where the water is, just behind me. 2 males, 2 females, 2 were in their 70s, 2 were in their 30s. We understand right now that they were in different units. They were not of the same apartment unit. Also right now, what's going on, Rich, if you just pan over just a little bit, these guys that just came up right now are going to begin the process of going in to assess the damage and to start the process of removing the debris and whatever else may be going on. The owner of the building is also on his way, or her way, from what we understand for officials right now. This is the very latest that we have in Elizabeth. Chris, we're going to send things back inside to you.